Hey everyone, this is Arya, back again with a modern and decent interior design of a 3 BHK located in the heart of Kothurod, designed by the one and only Manisha and Associates. So, let's go, shall we? Right as you enter, we have the marble finished charcoal louvers, which gives an inviting look. That look is continued in this lobby with this beautiful geometrical patterned wallpaper and the idol of Ganpati, which stands appealing for the viewer's eye. We have the natural brown veneer right from the entrance, continuing into the living room, kinda like a preview to the theme. We have the beiges all around us to fit in the minimalistic and simplistic design approach we have used here. The walls here are adorned with a marble finished laminate and charcoal louvers, while the beige colored leather sofa with wooden trimmings makes for a classy addition to this simple design. We have the cappuccino colored acrylic shutters in this modular kitchen, which blend in seamlessly with the theme outside. For the master bedroom, of course, we continue with the brown and beige color scheme right from the entrance to the master bedroom. We have laminate finished furniture, a fully cushioned bed for utmost comfort, and seamless wooden finished planks for enhancing the bed back. The pendant lights, the back painted glass sliding shutters, along with the rose gold hardware accessories just complete the simple and decent look, while the opposite wall is highlighted with texture paint. Slightly deviated from the overall house color scheme for the daughter. We have used here pastels, white and various shades of green. We also have here various interesting patterns, right from the laminates to the bed back. The bed back has been decorated with a PU finished groove board. As you can see, the patterns create a harmony from continuing from the laminate to the bed back. And to complete the look, we have one-of-a-kind embossed wallpaper along with a unique pendant light. This being the parents' room, we have kept the decor quite simple yet elegant. For this, we have used an overall beige color theme with rose gold accessories. Now, we have played around with the different types and finishes of laminates, such as here we have the super matte finish laminate, and in the same color, we also have a fluted one. To enhance the bed back, we have the stone finish laminate along with the fluted one. And to just enhance it even further, we have the decorative wall lights. For this room, we also have a small dressing area. Overall, a simple, minimalistic, elegant design approach, I would say. Would you not? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, for more such videos, please like, share, follow and subscribe to Manish Shah & Associates. Until next time, bye.